Good morning, children. Welcome to Senior KG class. I am your Prerna ma'am. Today we will learn about a very important topic, that is safety. Safety means protecting ourselves from any danger that may hurt us or endanger to our lives. Today I will tell you some rules of safety that keep you safe at home. Let's start with the rules of safety at home.
Never go near the gas stove or touch the hot vessels. You may burn your hands. Do not play with sharp objects like knife, scissors, blade, etc. You might get cut. Stay away from sharp objects and tools. Do not climb on shelves, chairs, or tables. You will fall down. Walk carefully on the wet floor, otherwise you may fall down. Do not touch electrical appliances, switches, wires or sockets. You may get an electric shock. Do not climb window sills. You may fall down or hurt yourself. Be careful.
Let's do an activity related to safe and unsafe things. Now we will do an activity of safe and unsafe. Here I have some things which are safe and unsafe for the children. We have to sort them according to safe and unsafe. This is safe. S-A-F-E, safe. Safe means which is not harmful. This is unsafe. U-N-S-A-F-E. Unsafe means which is harmful. Now I will place the things according to safe and unsafe. Here I have a soft toy. It is safe for you. You can play with it. So I will place it here. This is a switchboard. It is unsafe for you to touch. So I will place it here. This is a storybook. It is safe for you. You can read stories from the book. So I will place it here. These are tablets. They are unsafe. So I will keep them here. This is a pouch. You can keep your things in this pouch. This is safe for you. So I will place it here. This is a pair of scissors. It is unsafe for you. So I will place it here. This is handkerchief. It is safe for you. So I will place it here. This is a matchbox. It is unsafe for you because it can cause fire. So I will place it here. Now it's time for worksheet.
This is the worksheet related to safety at home. Here we have some pictures that show safe and unsafe situations. We have to see the pictures carefully and put tick on safe situations. In first picture, a boy is cutting paper with scissors. In second picture, a girl is eating. In third picture, a boy is coloring. In fourth picture, a boy is burning crackers. You have to see the pictures carefully and tick the boxes which show safe situations. Hope you liked the session. Always follow the safety rules and stay safe. Bye-bye.